and happy Monday. Welcome back to a new week at Newlands Primary School and a new challenge. Well, maybe not new challenge, but we're continuing our challenge of learning how to sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas in sign language. And I am so proud of all of you with how well you are all doing. Let's see if we can remember some of the signs that we learned last week. All right, first is wish. Do you remember wish? Show me. Wow, very good. Wish, wish. Now, the next one I want you to show me is merry. How do you do merry? Show me. Yes, it's just like happy. Merry. Merry and happy are both the same thing. All right, the next one is Christmas. Show me Christmas. Well done. So Christmas. Good. Well done. Now, the next one is New Year. So it's two of them, isn't it? New and year. Show me New Year. A little bit more difficult, isn't it? I think you'll get it. A lot of you have. So it's new, so new, and then year. New year. So we have Merry Christmas, and we have Happy New Year. So now it's time to learn the next part of our song. Okay, are you ready? Here we go.
Second verse, good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The new signs in there are good tidings, which is good news, meaning the sign for news is two fingers from your mouth and down towards the person, and then good. We do it that way because the base L structure, so it's news, which is good. And then to you and your kin, so it would be your kin because we're giving the good news to them. And the sign for your is your fist, and it goes towards the person you're giving it to. Kin is family, so the F for family, and then we move it around for everybody in that family. So it is good tidings we bring to you and your kin. For the purpose of the song, we do it with two hands so it flows a bit better. So good tidings we bring to you and your kin.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I know you're going to have to do a bit more practicing with this one, but we do have lots of time, and we're going to get it because it's going to be so fun when we have the whole song all together. Last week, I want to say again how proud I was of all of you for the week of being brave, and how brave you showed all of us you could be in the different ways of being brave. So well done once again. I want you to have a really good week. Remember, be kind, be caring, be brave. Persevere, believe in yourself, and you'll achieve it. Have a good week. Bye.
We wish